Good morning, students. Now we are going to learn about grammar. First of all, we are start very important topic in grammar, parts of speech. Words are divided into different kinds or classes called parts of speech according to their use or according to the work they do in sentence. The parts of speech are 18 number. They are noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, conjunction, preposition and intersection. Now we know the definitions of all. First, noun. Noun is the word used as the noun of a person, place or things, animal and idea. In noun, for example, pencil, cat, work and notebook. In sentences, this is my cat. So, cat is a noun. Second one, verb. Verb is also known as action or state. For example, get, come, cut, open, like. In sentences, I like apple. So, like is a verb. Then third one, adverb. Adverb describes a verb, adjective or adverb. For example, silently, boldly, really. In sentences, my cat eats quickly. So, adverb is a quickly. Then fourth one, adjective. Adjective describes a noun. For example, small, big, good, well and blue. In sentences, we like big cake. So, big is a adjective. Then fifth one, pronoun. Pronoun replaces a noun. Examples, I, you, he, she, it. In sentences, he is very clever. So, he is a pronoun. Then sixth one, preposition. Preposition links a noun to another word. For example, at, in, of, on, after and under. In sentences, she was hiding under the table. So, under is the preposition word. Then, conjunction. Seventh one, conjunction. Conjunction joins classes or sentences. But, when and while is the examples. In sentences, I am very hungry but the fridge is empty. So, but is the conjunction word. Then, eighth one, interjection. Definition, interjection, short exclamation. For example, oh, hi, ouch, wow. In sentences, wow, what a beautiful car. So, interjection word is wow. Thank you, student.